Hey people, how are we all doing? You're welcome back to today's tutorial. And on this tutorial, we are learning another way to tie our gele. That is what I bring to you people on this space. So guys, we are making some pleat first. Just make like 4 pleats and you arrange it to the level of your hair. Arrange it very well. So after you have done that, you're gonna be seeing the next thing we're going to do now. You just take it to the back and you cross the both ends at the back, then you bring it forward. Guys, just focus your eyes, watch. When you watch, you'll be able to understand more better. You'll be able to do it on your own. Practice they say makes perfection. So let's continue to lay our hands on it and practice. You can see after crossing it forward, I just pick one and then I make pleats all through before I'll be placing it on my head, which I'll be doing the same thing to the other part as well. So to all my returning viewers, I say hello, how do you do? Thanks for always stopping by. I really appreciate you guys, seriously. So guys, if you are also seeing this my face, you're seeing this face or you're coming across my video for the first time, oh hello, you're welcome. So guys, don't forget to like, share, give my video thumbs up. I mean, like, don't forget to follow my page for more headwrap tutorials, subscribe to my channel for more headwrap tutorials, guys. So thanks so much. Hope you are focused to that length. You can see how it is being done. So we place it up and we cross both ends to like left to the right and right to the left. Then you begin to arrange. So guys, just focus so that you'll be able to learn. Happy viewing, enjoy. So guys, you can see here with another one. I just loosen up that one. Then let's look at the way I form this place. I just bring it up like that. Then I use my office pin to check it and I adjust it well. Just focus your eyes and learn how I achieve this as well. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow for more headwrap tutorials. See you guys in my next video. View and understand.